Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to ensure your participation summary widget reflects the correct data, especially after making updates to your participant tab. This widget will help you to see the percentage of participants who answered your survey. Sometimes changes like adding or removing participants don't immediately update the dashboard, but don't worry, there are 3 simple tricks that we could use to fix this issue. As you can see right now, I'm into my EX dashboard, and here I have my participation summary widget. You can see that currently I have 5 out of 7 responses. However, if I go into my participant tab, you can see that I have 155 participants, so our participation summary is not showing correctly the total amount of participants. In order to resolve this, first you will have to navigate here into the Participation tab. Just click on Tools and select Update Invited Counts. This step ensures that your participation summary accurately reflects the number of participants invited to your project. Next, we are going to run the second update. So always into the Participant tab, click on Tools and select Update all responses with current metadata. This will ensure that any changes made to the Participant tab and participant metadata will reflect even into your dashboard. Once this update is done as well, we can go into the dashboard. As you can see, right now, my participation summary widget is still not showing the correct amount. So you will have to go into your dashboard settings, dashboard data, and let's give the dashboard a little refresh. So once you are into your dashboard data, scroll down till the end, click Add a field and call it Reindex, and then just click on Save. Once this is saved, you can go back to your dashboard and refresh your page. As you can see now with all the 3 updates, finally my participation summary widget is showing the correct amount of respondents. So you have tried all the 3 steps and the issue persists. Please reach out to Qualtrics support and we will be happy to help you further.